Introducing the 2022 Volvo Xc60 T6 PHEV Inscription, 5-door auto in sleek black. This hybrid beauty boasts a powerful 2-litre engine combining petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel for maximum efficiency. With luxurious features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, every journey is a pleasure. Safety is paramount with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision alert systems in place. The chic chrome package and roof rails add a touch of style, while headlight washers and stop and start system enhance convenience. Rest assured, this Volvo has passed a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive into the future with the 2022 Volvo Xc60 T6 PHEV Inscription.